Are you looking for expert advice and tips on money management from the comfort of your own home? YouTube is a great place to find valuable content that can help make smarter financial decisions. And sometimes you'll find a middleman like this, like me, okay? Today I'm going to share the best financial related YouTube channels that are going to offer expert advice on money management, investing, and personal finance. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, all right? Now listen, one of the top YouTube channels is Graham Stephan, okay? He's a financial expert who shares easy to understand tips on saving money, investing, and real estate. His channel has a huge following thanks to his practical advice and personal experiences. Another great channel is The Financial Diet, which covers topics like budgeting, money saving tips, and how to make smarter spending decisions, okay? They break down complex financial topics in a fun and reliable way. Also, for investing tips, okay, Meet Kevin. That's the name of the channel, Meet Kevin. It's a fantastic channel. Kevin is an investor who provides advice on stocks, real estate, and the economy, along with in-depth analysis of current market trends. You got Andrei Jikh. I'll put this in the description, the spelling of their names. Another channel for investing advice, and he focuses on, building wealth through stocks, personal finance, and passive income strategies. Now, if you're interested in financial independence, the Dave Ramsey Show offers solid advice on getting out of debt, budgeting, and building wealth in the debt-free way, okay? These channels offer tons of helpful tips to manage your money, build wealth, and become financially independent. And if you like this little video, leave me a like. I love you.